So guys, it's Let's Most 99 HD here with packing up in for the Bundesliga. Hopefully we can get somebody, at least. And it might be my last ever packing up in. Kind of in selling everything, trying to get one of these players. Hope they can pick one up and carry on. Or in a way I'll be screwed. But YOLO, don't matter. Next pack, hopefully we can get somebody. One of these blue cards, if I'm lucky. Not too bad pack. And move on to the next. I like getting those fitness cards, seem to get a lot of them. And where my coin back of them? I know crazy people are going. Team of the week, who was that? Mexes. Okay, team of the week, take that. Not bad, 3 packs in, I think was that our 4th pack, Mexes. Didn't actually expect that, my pack luck's actually been pretty bad. So to pick that up, can't complain. I wonder how much he's actually worth. Just list it. And discard. Next pack. Watch that be my indecent play of this pack opening. Oh, consumables. Damn. Right, it's gonna pause it here, guys. I need to quickly do something. And we're back. I just had to quickly sort out my trade pile, because if I got players and had 2 of them, I'd be screwed. Gomez. Shame he wasn't team of the season, that would have gone down pretty well. But you can't have everything your way. Just discard these. Just had a quick look at Mexes as well, if that's the right way to pronounce his name. People have got him up for over 100,000 already, but I put mine up by now at 80,000, see what happens. Next pack we get an 84 rated and Manchester United on top, duplicate. Oh nope, did that wrong. Just got it all, don't matter. Next pack we get, didn't see that, still nothing good. And we're back again. What can we get in this pack? Oh, have a look, what see that is. Nothing special at the whole pack. Nothing worth keeping. Just gonna discard it all this time. Collectibles are full. 40k to go through. Seesaw. Okay. 352. keep that, set a treadmill. And next pack. Wouldn't it be mint to get Ribery or Awesome, whichever word you want to use? Come on. Just discard it. Just any team this season player. I've not actually got one yet. I've had to buy him when I've got him. Nobody that. So we'll just discard. Coming down to the last few packs. £39 pace by striker. There's no point. Two more packs. Bubble. And a pack to finish. Well, Mexes was the only really decent player. Gonna leave it there, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, bye.